Do you know, if your road is broken or garbage is not cleaned, who is responsible? And more important, what can you do if they don't fix it? Let's discuss everything here. Welcome to Bright Minds. Today, let's go with the structure of government in India, central as well as state. First comes your municipal corporator or panchayati member. What they handle? They handle drainages, garbage, street light, and small local issues. For example, if garbage is not collected in your streets for days, you should first complain to your local corporator. What if they don't act? File a complaint on municipal app or website. Call local officers. Raise an issues in public grievance portal. Now let's go with state. First comes MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. Represents your area. What does he do? His work is roads, water supply, electricity, and local development. For example, if your area has no proper road, even after many requests, MLA can raise it in state assembly. What if MLA fails? Raise issues through media or social media. Use RTI, Right to Information. Vote wisely in next election. The next comes CM, Chief Minister. What does he or she do? Their work is runs entire state. Education, police, agriculture, roads, etc. Let's take an example. If a state has poor education quality, CM introduces new policies. What if CM fails? What a public can do? Public protest, court cases, PIL, public interest litigation, and elections. Change the government. Choose the correct leader next time. The next higher position is governor, appointed by president. What does they do? Signs bill passed by state. Act as constitutional head. If any law is controversial, governor can delay or send back. Now let's come to MP. MP is Member of Parliament. In Lok Sabha, MP is elected directly, so which is direct election. Represents people. Rajya Sabha MP, indirect election. Represents states. And their work is make laws, raise national issues. Let's take a current example. Fuel price issues discussed in Parliament. If MP fails, public pressure, media debates, next elections. So, let's step into even higher position. PM, real head of central government. And his work is economy, defense, and foreign policies, etc. For example, schemes like Digital India, Make in India. If PM fails, Parliament opposition questions, Supreme Court investigations, elections. Let's go with COM, Council of Ministers. Example, Finance, Defense, and Health Ministers. Each handle a specific departments. Now, let's see Vice President of India. And he is elected directly Chairman of Rajya Sabha. The next one is President of India. The President of India is the constitutional head of the country. Simple meaning, she or he is the official head, but real power is used by the PM, Prime Minister, and Council of Minister. And President function is very simple. Signs bill, make them law, appointments of Prime Minister, Governor, and Judge. Supreme Commander of Armed Force, Army, Navy, Air Forces, etc. So these are the steps for central and state structure. Here comes a very important concept. Remember always, no law becomes a law without the president's signature. Government is not just leaders. It is you. Yes, it is you. If you know your rights, you can bring changes. It doesn't mean that I should be an IAS officer, IPS officer, or police, lawyer. No. As a common citizen of India, we should know our law and rights. So, keep watching the upcoming videos. I'll help you to understand the rights and the responsibilities as a citizens. Thank you for watching.